He gonna get out here. Watch him. I'm finna record right quick for mama. Food Truck City. Hello, Nashville. What's this one called? Retro Snow. The Bacon Nation. Juicy Kitchen. Freebies. Quesadillas, tacos, bowl, burritos. This guy got homemade fried pickles. This called a fish fry. Bob's Fish Fry, hooking and cooking since 1973. They got fish on there. Pizza, wings, and drinks here. Go get it. Here. Here. No. What? They're gonna wait on you. Pizza, wings, and drinks. They go around. This the Cornerstone Church, baby. They lit, honey. Lisa's Kettle Corn. Sorry, excuse me. Baby, they sitting on the step eating these funnel cakes, honey, because they ready. Mars Concessions. Baby, they in these food trucks tonight, honey. $9 for a real buy. Hamburger, $6, $10 hamburger plates. Onion, $7. Philly cheesesteak, $7. Baby, they ready tonight. Then down on the side, they got their little tent they were doing their funnel cakes, honey. Barbecue sandwich. Did you go get the candy? I'm just walking around. Y'all ready?